If your YouTube channel feels stuck and nothing seems to work, you are probably making at least one of the mistakes that I'm going to talk about in this video. I made these same mistakes when I started, and once I finally fixed them, things really started to change. Now, if your YouTube channel is barely growing and you keep thinking YouTube is killing my channel, you're not alone. I used to do the same thing. I blamed YouTube instead of focusing on how to improve. Because honestly, it's always easier to blame something else than to take responsibility. Once you blame YouTube, you stop improving. But when you take responsibility, you suddenly gain control. You start thinking about the right things. Growth starts the moment you stop blaming the algorithm and actually open your analytics. When I started asking what can I do better and focus on improving my content, that's when things really started to change. The other mistake that I was doing, I thought the only way to grow was to just keep uploading more and more videos, and it completely messed up my workflow. I was so focused on just getting content out and that I stopped caring about the connection. I kept shooting more, I filled up my hard drives, and I ended up hurting my channel instead of just helping it. When you rush videos, you add more stress on yourself and the videos lose quality. The viewers also can feel when a video is rushed. Instead of uploading more, try slow down. Focus on just one good video a week. Put all your energy and creativity into it. It gives you more space to think, be creative, and also tell a meaningful story. The other mistake that I was doing, every time a video flopped, I didn't just feel sad. I took it personally and immediately feeling like giving up. Instead of seeing a bad video as something I could learn from or a skill I could improve, I felt like I was failing as a person, not just as a creator. And things started to get really messy mentally and emotionally. I would fall into this heavy depression, and it made everything so much harder than it needs to be. When you start YouTube out of desperation, you treat it like an achievement platform instead of a skill building platform. And when you do that, the algorithm will eventually break you because it will never be predictable. What helped me was separating myself from the video. I stopped obsessing over results and focused on improving my skills, and the pressure finally disappeared. The next mistake that I was doing that hurt my channel, I used to make videos that I thought were great, but the viewer didn't really care. I was making videos based only on what I liked, instead of studying top creators and understand how they connect with their viewers through their content. If your videos don't speak to the viewer, they won't stay. People watch because them, teaches them something, entertains them, and makes them feel something, not because you enjoy making it. Start thinking about what will actually help the viewer. Don't rely on your own perspective. Study great creators, learn what they do well, and understand why viewers connect with them. And this led to one of the biggest mistakes that I was making. I was actually afraid to add my own ideas into my videos. I started making videos inspired by other creators, and slowly I even began deleting the videos that had my own ideas into them. And that's when I realized I wasn't being myself anymore. I was blending in and copying blindly. When you copy blindly, viewers don't see you anymore. They just see a cheaper version of someone they've already watching. You start blending in, you become forgettable, and that's when YouTube becomes boring, because the human side disappears. Study creators to understand why their content works, not to turn into them. Learn the lessons, use the principles, but say it in your own voice. Because you never know, your idea might be the one that actually connects more than anything else. And if you want to start and grow your YouTube channel, check out my playlist right here. It's going to help you a lot. But if structuring your video is something really bothering you, I have put together a free script template that's going to make the whole process a lot easier. Please grab it below. Please drop a like in this video, help more people to find it. I really appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy. Bye bye.